Hi guys, today we're gonna be playing SKYWARS. Let's get into this. This is my first episode of SKYWARS. What we're gonna do is just dig down, keep digging. I know it's not a good idea to do it in Minecraft, but it's slightly like Minecraft. How many blocks do we have? No! No! I will see you guys when the next round starts. Okay guys, so now I'm back in the next round. Hopefully the same thing doesn't happen. Because that wasn't good what happened. Right, so I've teamed up with this guy and I think he's gonna come to my base now. I have to be careful because I don't want to get hit by people here. I'll start digging because he's coming to my base right now because I'm gonna see him. Hopefully he's not tricked me into killing me. I really hope he hasn't tricked me into killing me. If he is, well, I should protect myself. I don't want to get myself out. Oh yes, he's oh jeez. Oh jeez, hide. Okay, we're doing well. Wow. Oh, we can mine it. Hopefully we can mine some ore today. Oh yeah, we've got 5 coins. Let's mine this iron. Oh help! I'm getting bored. Right, guys. Oh, and shoot this guy. Actually, gonna build. Oh, well. Oh, okay, guys. So I have made it. Making way to his base. No! No! Alright guys, so I guess I'll see you guys in the next round. Okay, guys, so the next round has started. So yeah, let's just like get into this round. I need to be careful. Oh no! Oh, guys, I'm so sorry about that. I'm gonna have to see you guys in the next round because that was just shocking what I just did, guys. So the next one started, guys. So let's try to protect ourselves. So what I'm basically gonna do, I'm just gonna do like a house. That's exactly what I'm gonna do a house. Oh, it's coming, it's coming! 10. Why does he keep saying 10? I don't want to see him win. I won't try it. I won't try the worst. Am I an idiot? Am I an actual idiot? Am I an actual idiot? So guys, I think what we're gonna do now, I don't think we're gonna skip it to the next round. I think we're gonna look at the odds. Awesome! Obsidian armor, that's it. I'm guessing the strongest like you can get on this is obsidian. The emerald looks sick. Everything looks sick in this game. It's looking like the VIP. We don't want to go in it, but we ain't gonna look in it. We can't walk, we can't get into the VIP. Guys, let's spectate now. How many people left? I think there's 4 people left. But guys, I shouldn't have tried that stupid jump. What is going on here? Oh, so 4 people left. It's going on for ages. Okay, guys, I think I definitely am going to see you in the next round because this is probably going to be the longest round yet. Guys, so the next one is started. So yeah, let's get into this. Do what I was doing when I was building the house in the first episode. I think we should do that. No, in like what am I gonna do? That's really clever to do like a house. Okay, guys, as you can see, building this house is nearly finished. Okay, guys, I've done the first layer of my house. I think what I'm gonna do now is like fight someone. Oh, guys, I really don't want to fall. That's I really don't want to die. Damn it, I'm dying. I'm dying. Do this. You're trying to kill me. Put myself off in this. Gary's hitting so hot. Look at this. Let's see. Let's look at this guy. Why so many people have diamonds? Oh, so good. So, are you kidding me? Okay, guys, make sure you like and subscribe, and I will join you in. Oh, you know, guys, I forgot about something. Make sure you like and subscribe and join Team Guinea Pig, and I will see you in the next video.